In this video, I'll show you how to connect HubSpot to Outlook so you can track emails, log activity, and keep your CRM updated directly from your inbox. This integration helps streamline communication and ensures your email interactions are automatically recorded in HubSpot. To begin, sign into your HubSpot account and click the Marketplace icon at the top right to open the HubSpot app Marketplace. In the search bar, type Outlook and select the official Outlook integration. Open the listing and click Install to start the setup process. You'll then be redirected to the Microsoft Marketplace, where you can add the HubSpot sales add-in to your Outlook account. Make sure you're signed in to both your HubSpot and Microsoft accounts so the connection works correctly. During setup, approve the requested permissions so HubSpot can access your email data for tracking and logging. Once installed, the integration will appear inside Outlook, usually as a sidebar or icon when composing emails. From there, you can track opens, log emails, and access CRM tools seamlessly. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.